Hello friends, today I'm going to explain you about the problems and Windows can't be installed to the disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. These types of problems may occur and there is a free and easy solution that I'm going to explain you now. First of all, you have to just hit shift plus F10 together, and after that you have to go to the disk or by writing disk part, disk part, and after that you have to select list the disk, list disk, you have to write list the disk and choose in which disk you want to install the Windows. Okay, choose where you want to install the window, and after that you have to clean the disk by writing clean, and as if the Windows can only be installed to GPT disk, then you have to write convert GPT only. Okay, convert space GPT. If the disk Windows can only be installed to MBR partition table, then you have to convert the disk into MBR. So you have to write convert MBR, then your problem will be solved very easily. So after that you have to choose your disk, in which disk you want to install the window, and you have to choose which operating system you want to install, and you have to accept the license term, and if your disk is very large in size, then you can divide it into many disks. Okay, by hitting the new button, new button, and then you can hit apply as well, and then as well, and you can just fix this. You can divide the large disk into small pieces, and you can just hit apply, and after that you can just cancel it, or if you don't want that, if you don't want to divide your disk, then hit next, and then the Windows installation process will be will go on. So your problem is fixed with this solution. Please like and
subscribe my channel for more knowledgeable videos. Please like and subscribe my channel for more and more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.